Hi, this is Fuad Abasov, a broker with Right at Home Realty, and this is your monthly real estate statistics.
September marked the transition from the slower summer market to the busier fall market in the Greater Toronto area. Every year after Labor Day, we generally see an uptick in sales, average selling price, and listings, and September 2021 was no different. Sales increased relative to August and were at the third highest mark on record for the month of September. First time since March, the average selling price was up both month over month and year over year. An overwhelming demand for houses in GTA has been a recurring theme throughout the pandemic, and this is evidenced by a huge 21% year-over-year spike in the average price of a detached home in Toronto, which would now cost you an average of $1.8 million. Compared to last year, market conditions tightened noticeably, with sales representing a substantially higher share of listings and significantly lower number of new listings across the board. Resurgence in the condo market was a factor in the higher share of listings sold. Now let's go over the statistics for detached homes in Toronto real estate market and suburbs. We'll take a close look at the average price and how it has changed since September of last year as well as last month. On the right we'll see sales data as of September, while on the left we will see statistics from last month. As I have mentioned earlier, an average sales price of a detached home in Toronto was $1.8 million, a 21% increase from September of last year, while amount of sold properties and new listings was down 21% and 33% respectively. Prices continue to climb in the city of Vaughan, with an average sales price of $1.85 million in the month of September. The amount of new listings was down 42%. Richmond Hill, the average sales price was $1.93 million, a 27% increase from September of last year. The amount of new listings was down 27%. The city of Mississauga saw a 27% jump in prices to $1.61 million in the month of September. The amount of new listings was down 38%. Markham, a 33% increase in average sales price to $1.86 million. The amount of new listings was down almost 38%. Newmarket, the average sales price of a detached home was $1.31 million, a 28% increase from last September. The amount of new listings was down 44%. In Aurora, an average sales price was sliding down for the past couple of months, however it was not the case in September. An increase of 34% to $1.83 million. The amount of new listings was down 38%. The average sales price of a detached home in Innisfil is $991,000 compared to September of last year, a 37% increase. The amount of new listings was down almost 17%. King City, with average sales price of a detached home around $2.85 million, a 58% increase from the September of last year. Amount of new listings down 37%. Homeowners in Bradford continue to see their equity growing. $1.2 million was an average sales price of a detached home in Bradford this September, $300,000 increase from September of last year, when an average selling price was $925,000. Detached home sales in Milton have seen an increase of 27% compared to September of last year. An average selling price was $1.41 million, with the amount of new listings down to 28%. The average sales price of a detached home in Stouffville was $1.75 million in the month of September, a 36% increase from the last September, with the amount of new listings down to 28%. We're continuing to see strong price appreciation in the suburbs, as well as secondary cities outside of GTA, fueled by a desire for larger homes, more outdoor space, and the flexibility of location, afforded by the option of remote work.
If you would like to receive your own personalized sales report about home sales on your street or in the neighborhood, please email me at sold@fuadhomes.com or call me at 647-801-3401. Thanks for watching and see you next month.